Hello everybody, my name is José Pedro Ferreira and I'm the product manager from niop, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new platform, niop. This is our low code approach to the industry. So first let me speak to you a little about niop. niop is a machine vision company which develops machine vision solutions for the industry. We were founded back in 2001, so we have a long history of developing solutions like this, and we have a high qualified team that we build with many years of experience develop this type of systems. We have installed systems in more than 18 countries and in 4 different continents, and we are in fact we are located in Portugal, and we were the first Portuguese company to support systems like this, and the first one was to the German market. So basically we deliver OT solutions for the shop floor, for the industry, and we applied our solutions to every kind of processes, quality control, inspection, automation. We have systems doing guidance for the robots, monitor, detect different fixtures and so on. And we also have a lot of experience in exchanging data to the IT systems, so to collect the data and to send everything to the Messe and to the KMS systems, and on the other way around, to grab that information and apply that information to the production floor and to the shop floor. Our key customers are mainly on the automotive market. We have also on the aeronautics, but mainly this was the type of companies that asks most for this kind of devices that we have, and we use the same software to inspect electronic equipments, door panels, car seats, tires. It doesn't matter. We have our solutions have the ability to extract information from the images, and it doesn't matter what type of images that we are inspecting. So a couple of years ago, and after 20 years of building this type of solutions to the industry and develop this type of solutions, with all of this expertise that we have, we decided to develop niop, which is the low-code platform to allow other people to build solutions by their own. So the idea is that everyone will be able to program and configure their machines using and interact with other industrial systems within this low-code approach, and based with this drag and drop concept to build your solutions. So I have just a small video.
The world in permanent change, an industry increasing its complexity at an extraordinary fast pace. This is where niop comes to life. niop is the low-code platform that brings simplicity, completeness, and speed to orchestrate the operational technology layer of multiple industries. It allows anyone to program their own machines, anywhere, at any time. And when we say anyone, we really mean anyone. But how, you may ask? Based on a drag and drop concept, niop gives companies the right tools and an easy-to-use interface to control intelligent systems, maintaining the quality and the control required for their applications. Built to simplify everything, with niop, you don't need computers programming knowledge. It reduces time to line up to 60%. It reduces up to 68% of project cost. niop helps you program machines that implement pattern recognition, pick-and-place systems, and visual quality control systems, just to name a few. All done in the blink of an eye, and with highest quality already built in. Okay, you can stop imagining. This is real. With niop, it's that easy. Know more about all features at niadvance.com.
So this small video is only to illustrate the idea of behind niop. So as I explained, this is a low-code approach. So the idea is that you are capable to deliver the solutions a lot faster. So any citizen developer is able to do it. You don't need programming skills to develop your solutions. And at the end, you maintain the quality and the performance of the solution built in on your systems. So we can use niop to orchestrate all the OT stack. So we have a lot of communication protocols, a lot of tools to communicate with different cameras, different sensors, to communicate with different tools, PLCs, robots, and we have a lot of tools also to send information to the cloud, receive information to the cloud, give data and information to the digital twin systems, and with a user interface that's simple to use and to manipulate. Just to speak to you a little about the architecture of niop, we can divide it into these three main components. We have the cloud, so where is a client's area mainly, where you can store your tools, you can buy components, and you can monitor all your machines. We have on the laptop, we have what we call the niop studio. That's the tool that you use to design and build your program. And after designing the program, you can publish the solution to the machine. So you can publish, currently niop is able to use Windows and also Linux, so you can publish to either one of these operation systems, and the solution is ready to go. So the components, here is the overview of the studio, where you design your program. It's very intuitive, with a very simple interface, and after a few minutes you are able to create the solutions very fast. The engine is where the solution will run, so this is responsible for executing what you build on the studio, and as I told, we can have the engine running in Linux and also in Windows. And then we have the HMI editor, so you can fully customize the end user interface and your HMI for the machine. So you can have multiple HMIs if you want to build one specific for the machine and one specific for the office. You are able to do that in a simple way, so it's very intuitive. You have a lot of controls available, and you can adjust basic your needs. After completing the solution with the HMI editor, of course, you have the HMI concluded, where the final project the user can visualize the real-time execution of the program it's just built in. Going a little deeper into the concept, we have the tools that are the basic elements of the platform. They are divided into multiple categories. We have tools to perform image acquisition, we have tools to manipulate 2D image, 3D image, tools to manipulate point clouds. We have also a lot of standard communication protocols to communicate with the different robots and PLCs. And of course, all the other tools to manipulate variables, to manipulate the files, and to communicate with the HMI. By combining these tools, you can build the workflow. The workflows can be simple, with just one path, or can be really complex with multiple paths and multiple branches. And we also have the concept of the sub-workflow. That is, if you want to hide the complexity of a big workflow, you can structurize them into smaller sub-workflows to make the solution faster and readable, and improve the performance. We have also the ability to do parallel processing. So if you want to speed up your processing times and improve your performance, you can also do that with the tools available on niop. We have At the end, the HMI and the reporting. So as I told you, you can fully customize all the HMI for the end user. You can visualize your data, you can have graphics, you can have tables, you can track the production trends and the times and oversee the KPIs. So we have already pre-built templates, or you can start from scratch and build your HMI from the beginning. We have also AI capabilities inside the platform. It's basically an interface that allows you to create, train, test, and deploy your AI models. This was not made for the data scientists. The idea is for everyone on the production floor that wants to retrain, see the behavior of a model. He can easily do that. So again, it's a very intuitive user interface. Right now, you have the possibility to do classification, detection, segmentation models, and you can do from the scratch, start a model from scratch to do the notation, the train, and to define all the parameters, or you can use a pre-trained model and adapt from there, test the model and deploy then to the final machine. Here I just have a small video with a demo of a constructor of a very simple workflow, just a simple QR code read, just for you to see how is to manage in niop. Well, the video is not starting. So let me. Okay. So here it is. We are, as I told you, have the studio. That is where you build the program. You can start a project from scratch. You put a name on the project. You can have a description if you want. And here is the environment for developing your solutions. You have the tools on the right side, and you can drag and drop each one of the tools that you want to define. You can define all the parameters. You have input parameters and output parameters for each one of the tools. So you can create variables along while you are building your workflow and continue the process. Here we just are reading a file from a folder. Then we are reading this tool to read the barcode, and we are storing the barcode on the result string, and that's it. You just need to do these simple steps. On the bottom you have the debug, where you can check if you are doing everything right, and you don't have any problems. And at the end, you just need to publish the solution, and the workflow is ready, and you have the result. So in a very simple way, you can build from scratch simple projects or really high complex projects with niop. So as you saw, we have this. This is the main overview, the workflows, the HMI pages, all the tools divided into multiple categories, and on the bottom the debug, where you can see if everything is running okay and if you don't need to adjust anything to the workflow. So just a few more examples. If you want to communicate with cameras, we have the GenICAN standard implemented. Besides GenICAN, we have also other types of different cameras already pre-built in niop. So another example of the parallel processing capabilities. If you want to do parallel tasks, you just need to pick the parallel tool and add all the sub-workflows that you want to the system. Also, the one example from the communication with robots. If you want to communicate using any protocol, you just need to write and read registers like this in a very in a very easy manner and with an easy approach. We have also the possibility inside niop. If you want to use external DLLs that you already have built in other contests, you can also include use that external DLLs inside niop, or if you want to create shell processes, you can also create a shell process inside niop to communicate with the other protocols. The HMI editor is very similar to what you saw on the studio, so you can create your pages, divide them into different blocks. You have all the basic controls, and again, you just simply need to drag and drop them and build fully customizable all your GMI. You have the test, you can change all the settings that you want to build it. So on the last slide, I just compiled all the advantages to use niop. So it's simple. There is no technical knowledge needed to use the software. It's very complete. We have a lot of different tools, 2D, 3D tools, and robotics and automation tools. It's fully agnostic, so we can use any brand that you want to use inside niop. It's really fast. Since you don't have to do any software development, it allows you to develop the solution faster. And at the end, if you build it faster, you can reduce the overall cost of the project because we'll do it faster and with less qualified people. So if you want to know more, please visit us here in Hall 10 on stand B35, and we'll be welcome to show you a little more about niop and schedule a demo with you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Very interesting. Making things easy is an important key in this expensive world. Any questions from the floor? No, great. Well, looking forward to coming along and have a look at it. So, obviously, you mentioned GeniCam as the standards. What other standards to connect to the PLCs and stuff? Do you have standards there? Yeah, we have the standards we have implemented. Yeah. Yes, we have CISO-PCY, Modbus, Profinet, Profibus, Ethernet IP, MQTT. So we have a lot of different communication protocols that allows you to, in a simple way, communicate with and the runtime, what platform, PC or ARM, or what's the platform that the engine can run on? The engine can run currently in Windows and also in Linux. We have a partnership with NVIDIA, so it runs also in all NVIDIA boards right now. Not the studio part. The studio it's on Windows, but you can deploy the engine for other operation system. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Jose. That's really interesting.